Also now on the Health Watch, hotel guests could have been exposed to Legionnaires' disease and not even know it. This outbreak in Atlanta has led to a lawsuit that was just filed today.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here now with an update.
That's right. Lots going on with this thing, guys. You know, Legionnaires' disease can feel like a case of the flu, and it can be tricky to accurately diagnose, which is important because antibiotic treatment is critical. Well, the investigation on the newest outbreak in Atlanta centers on people who stayed there in mid-July.
The latest Legionnaires' disease outbreak has been identified at the Sheraton Atlanta. One person has died, a dozen have tested positive.
I couldn't sleep, didn't want to eat, I was delirious.
Legionnaires' disease is a severe form of pneumonia. People get sick inhaling microscopic water droplets containing the Legionella bacteria. It is not contagious.
This is one of those bugs that lives out in the environment amongst us, and on occasion it gets into a man-made water system, contaminates it, and it can be very hard to get rid of when that happens.
Legionnaires' disease was first identified here in Philadelphia in 1976. A mysterious respiratory illness spread through a Legionnaires' convention that was meeting at the Bellevue Stratford. Since then, there have been a series of outbreaks here and around the country. The CDC says 1 in 10 Legionnaires' victims will die. With the latest case in Atlanta, attorney Chris Stewart represents 40 Sheraton guests with confirmed or presumptive cases of Legionnaires.
This is a massive problem nationwide. People don't know they're sick yet with Legionnaires' disease.
In a statement, the hotel offered its deepest sympathies to all those affected, adding a thorough cleaning of the hotel's entire water distribution system has been completed, including scrubbing and chlorination.
Now, that hotel remains closed. This outbreak is the largest ever recorded in Georgia. Health officials examining when people may have been exposed are looking at a timeline that lasts for more than a month. You know, officials also say that Legionnaires tends to be in big buildings with the water or the air system, not in private homes. So it's usually just associated with those bigger buildings.
I know a lot of people want to hear that. Okay, thank you, Stephanie.